over here, honey. You gotta be slick. A little bit further than that. Now back up. Not far.
I wanted to give it to Mr. Black.
Named it. Gotta take it home.
We're going into Starbucks. And then after we're going to the pool.
Alright, annual tradition at the beach is Jacob has to shave. Don't put no water in it. Put it on your face. Can we help you? I put that stuff on all the time. Don't put it in your mouth.
Jacob is shaving.
Yes. Slide it down.
He's shaving. Because he's home.
Alright. Yep. That's it. Turn you upside down right here. This is called the Hurricane Shack. Step inside the Hurricane Shack and put on your safety goggles.
A Category 5 hurricane contains wind speeds of 155 miles per hour and greater. Imagine being caught in the winds greater than the ones you are about to experience right now.
Look at him. Jacob's like, I can help you get up there.
I think this one's broken. Hey. Okay, see, we are locked in this thing.
Huh?
There we go. And above the knots.
Yep, right above the knots. There you go.
Come on, you can do it, girl. Go, above the knots. Pull.
That's working out right there.
One more knot to go. Oh.
Ready? No, do another one. Y'all gotta change that. Not ready. Wait, Molly. Hey, baby, I miss you. Oh, man, you had a good one a second ago.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a